a puffy line all around. And we have a cloud. A line that curves around with a point on the top. There, a drop of water. To draw freezing, maybe we can try some swirly lines like this. And then some little dots and X's. There, that could be freezing.